Hello kids, today we are going to learn about sea animals. Starfish, this is a starfish. Manta ray, this is a manta ray. Jellyfish, this is a jellyfish. Walrus, this is a walrus. Orca, this is an orca. Clam, this is a clam. Shark, this is a shark. Seahorse, this is a seahorse. Sea cow, this is a sea cow. Penguin, this is a penguin. Dolphin, this is a dolphin. Sea turtle, this is a sea turtle. Octopus, this is an octopus. Sea lion, this is a sea lion. Killer whale, this is a killer whale. Crab, this is a crab. Pelican, this is a pelican. Otter, this is an otter. Seal, this is a seal.